So here we have this ELEGRP GFCi outlet. Now this is the matte black, but you can also get it as white. It comes with this nice screwless modern cover, a pack of screws, these GFCi protected stickers. If you're going to install it yourself, there's an instruction manual to help you do that. It's double-sided, has lots of detail. Of course, it is still recommended to have a professional install it for you. Here's the GFCi outlet. Of course, it has the test button as well as the reset button. It has the sort of plastic protectors on the inside there. There's a ground screw and then 4 more screws, and you can see they're labeled on the back here. And it has 2 holes for each screw as well as a strip gauge to help you get the right length. These are the easy plugs where you can just insert the wire, tighten down the screw, and that locks it into place. There's no way that's coming out. And here's a closer look at the cover. It comes with a pack of 2 screws, and that's to screw this bracket on. Then this piece here just clips over the top of it like this, locks it into place, and that makes it look like a really fancy single piece screwless outlet cover. Then to get the cover off, you can see these 2 tabs on the bottom. Just stick a small flathead screwdriver in here like this and twist. But you do have to have the right size flathead, otherwise it is a bit annoying. I have them installed in a few different spots. The easiest one to access is in this bathroom here. The test button works just fine, as well as the reset button. And yeah, overall it's a good looking, modern, matte black GFCi outlet.